Welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week with AutoMobility Store. In today's episode, I wanted to highlight Whill's Model RI Urban Mobility Scooter. What stands out with this scooter for me is the electronic stability control. It allows it to regulate speeds and it enhances the overall stability of the scooter. It has the zero turn steering, allows those 360 turns. And my favorite feature is the Whill app. With this model, you're actually able to monitor the scooter's battery charge, as well as lock and unlock the scooter with that app. Just like most travel scooters, the RI comes apart into those 5 lightweight pieces. And it also features its IPX5 weatherproofing or waterproofing. It allows you to operate it in like light rain. And you can also do like low pressure washing of the scooter, which I thought was a great feature. Call AutoMobility Store today for more details on the Model RI by Whill. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.